Hey guys, welcome here, Girly Girl, and today we are going to be making slime. So let's get started. And as you can see by the title, we are making 20k gold slime. Ooh. Well, it doesn't really say 20k gold slime, it just says gold slime. So let's go. Materials you'll be needing is lotion, paints. Well, I'm going to use golden because you know I'm making golden slime. Some glue, some a mixing material, and a bowl. So let's go. So I'm going to be getting my glue, wasting it all. Because, you know, the slime got to be gold. Like, who would waste all their blue and gold slime? I'm just kidding. I already used half of it in my other video, my butter slime. But now I am making golden slime. A lot of people wait 1 hour until you like that. Okay, I'm not waiting an hour. But that's a lot of glue. I'll see you when I'm done. So I am done putting the rest of the glue. Now I'm going to put some water in. Shake it up. Just a little bit of water. Not so much either. Put the top on it. Maybe save that for some detergents. The detergent users. I gotta clean up that water mess here. Okay, I did that. Now I'm just gonna stir it. It's so liquidy. I added too much water. But now, a lot of people say, why do you add this first? Well, it makes it kind of a nice texture actually. So I just like pop it and then it goes out like that. Ew, I haven't even touched the slime. There's already hair in it. Ew. It's not even slime yet. There's already hair in it. Wow. Maybe because I just showered and like. Okay, now I'm just gonna. Sorry, I keep putting my shirt down. It's so short. Now, oh, more cream for me. Now I'm just going to start mixing. Mix. I didn't have to add cream because it was supposed to be clear slime. Who cares? At least it's mine. I don't know what is wrong with my mixing hands today. Like, I'm supposed to mix like this. Like, I don't know what's wrong. Maybe I have to. No, it's not that way. Okay, I don't know how to mix anymore. Now I'm going to be adding them. 20k gold. I was gonna put 14k gold. Oh my god, that's a lot. It's gonna be so pretty. Trust me. Next thing you know, it's already pretty actually. Okay, never mind, it's not pretty. It is like a brownish look. Maybe if I put a tiny more of it. Hashtag halfway the whole bottle. And comment down below what you want me to do next in this video. Or if you want me to do a song, like an official rap song or something. Even though I live an average, I'm not. If you know what that song is, I'm Erica Costa. Yeah. This is like not even gold anymore. It is like a bronze pretty color. It's not actually pretty. But yeah. Do I have some, no, I was about to say, do I have some glitter? But no, I do not. Or do I? What? No. Oh, but I do have some of this that is glitter mixed with glue. Glitter glue. Okay, I'm gonna make that color. I'm scared to mix it in because I feel like I already ruined it. Okay, I didn't ruin it. It looks pretty now. It's like pretty gold with pretty red glitter. I'll put a lot, like really. Okay, now it's sinking in there. And I feel like it's gonna turn red. I'm scared. Yeah, I think it's, oh no, it's not turning red, but it has some red glitter in it. If you look closely, let me show you. If you look very closely, you can see some red glitter. as you can see. And it's not wiggly anymore because I'm not filming on a tripod. I'm just gonna put one pump of some soap or foaming soap. I'm so scared it's gonna be a fail. Okay, now for the detergent. It's not even detergent. Where's my detergent? Oh, it's right here. Okay, just put little by little. That's how I really do my thing. That kind of sounded wrong. Why does it make such a loud noise? I feel like this is water slime. I hate water slime. I like thick slime. Maybe this is gonna turn out to be butter slime because I might put some more magic inside because I don't like the texture of this just by looking at it. But it is combining, I guess. It's very pretty, you can say. It looks like a poop. I was trying to make gold slime like this color, very pretty. Let's just try a little more. Oh my god, yep. Okay, I put way too much. Yep, I think I put way. Like, this is how officially, this is how I want my slime. Imagine this being slime, like that. Oh my god, I would be so happy and shocked. So, it's so hard to stir now. I actually made it prettier. Yeah, I made it prettier. I made it more golden. I should actually do this when I'm like in the process of doing it. Sorry, guys. That is very pretty. Look how pretty it looks. Now I'm gonna be adding more. I'm so dumb. I should have got this on video. I poured the whole bottle accidentally in the slime. Oh my god. But it looks pretty, I guess. It wasn't worth it. Maybe this is like a fell slime and I added the whole bottle. But it is very pretty actually. The red glitter messed it up even though I thought it was going to look prettier. But I'm like, nope, I gotta put some glitter inside. It's so hard to stir. It's like getting harder and harder the more I stir it. It takes me like 7 minutes to do a slime. So I'm looking at the time when I'm doing my video right now and it takes 7 minutes. And I am doing this in 2 cameras, as you can see. Oh my god, it feels so good. Okay, now I'm gonna start like kneading it with my hands. Ugh. Okay, oh, it's starting like, it's very pretty. Just to say, it's very pretty. I'm not going to be putting Model Magic in here because it's going to make it mess up. I'm scared it's going to get stuck to my... There's a hair here. I feel like it's going to get the gold stuck to my white counter. Like it got stuck on here. You can't really see it, but let me show you. Like got stuck like right there. Just a tiny bit. You can't even see it. I got slime stuck on you guys, but I'm going to take that off after this video. I can just pause it and do it. I'm just going to add more detergent because I feel like it's very sticky. But it looks super pretty actually. I'm not really getting this one. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm Erica Costa. Comment down below if you're subscribed to Erica Costa and I will subscribe to you. Because you know, Erica Costa, we got to show you some love. Just look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. Did I just put slime on my pants? Hold on. Phew, I didn't. They keep pulling up my pants because this shirt is so short. This shirt is so short, flat lines. So, look how stretchy it is. I love this slime. It's going to be my love slime. I don't know what she named this. Goldie? I'm not sure. Look how pretty this looks. Ew, it's so goopy. Why do you think I add so much lotions? Because like it's very sticky. So Oh my god, this was super funny. Me and my friend Valerie, hashtag BB, go follow her on my, I'll link it down below. I don't know how to pronounce that. But it's Rafi Molina, something like that. We used to make slime and her mom didn't let her. So we used to like make slime in a cap of water. And we used to hide it like up there where the mirror is. You know how it has a little space like up here? The little space that's up there. It used to be so funny. And we used to hide it like in the middle of the toilet. Because she had, or like behind it. Because she had this little space in this little cabinet. It was so funny. I was like 9. Because right now I'm not 9. A lot of people say I'm 9, but actually I'm not 9, I'm 10. I started my YouTube channel when I was 9, 8, I'm not sure. But no, I have not been on this YouTube channel for 1 year. I think like 8, I was gonna say 8 years, 8 months, or a little more, I'm not sure. There's already hair in the slime. And I haven't even paid for it like, not even an hour yet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Got stuck on my female shirt. But it's fine. Why do I always play my slime off camera? Like, I have to like go in the middle. Because like I feel like there's no much space. Oh my god. My choker. Last time this was a sad choker. I would say last time this was a fat choker. Last time this was a bad choker because I got like slime stuck to it. And it was like fur choker. And I ripped it open. And I realized it was this. If you're throwing your chokers away, don't throw it away. Open if it has like fabric, and it'll come like this. So that's why it's more expensive, because it has some fabric. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace. This should have been in my bloopers. Okay, really. Peace.